In this day and age, we have a problem. Everything is so easily accessible and everything has a subscription. So we sometimes end up with subscriptions that we don't really need. And ultimately, this can keep taking money out of your bank account and leave you wondering, where did all your money go? So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how I use the app Truebill to get rid of all of my subscriptions that I don't use, and I ended up saving about $600 monthly. So what's up? I'm Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. We are in a day and age where there are so many applications out there and they make it so easy for you to just hit one button and you can subscribe, and then that company is consistently taking money out of your account every month or annually. And not to say this is a bad thing, because obviously this is good, it makes things easily accessible, but sometimes we do forget about a lot of these applications, and then a year goes by and then we're wondering, why did I get charged for this? What is this? So as you may know, I am trying to make the transition into frugal living, which is saving money so I can put it into things that I actually want to invest in and things that are really important to me. And with that being said, I need to find ways to save money. But there would be certain moments when I would go into my bank account statements and I would see multiple times that things were getting taken out of my account. And these are things that I probably don't even use, or things that I haven't used in years. So why do I constantly still have it taking money out? Now, if you're like me, you may have subscribed to a lot of things in the past and you might not remember all of them. Now, Truebill is an application that takes a look at your bank statements and gets a feeling of all the subscriptions that you may be subscribed to. Now, Truebill is truly gonna save you a lot of money, not only because it's going to give you an analysis of all the subscriptions that you have, but sometimes like I was subscribed to something 4 years ago and I did not know that this subscription was taking $250 yearly out of my account. I don't know if I slept through it, I wasn't looking at my bank statements, but obviously I let this one slip through the cracks, and that's $250 that can be going into an investment, $250 that can be going into another piece of real estate, $250 for something else besides going to make these people richer. Now, the process is so simple to sign up with Truebill. You need to download the app from the App Store or the Play Store. You go ahead, download it, you sign up, and then you go ahead and link your bank account. And it's as simple as that. After you link your bank account, it will analyze your bank account statements and see what subscriptions you have coming in, any outgoing payments that you may be doing soon. Maybe you don't want to do something, maybe you want to cancel that, you can go ahead and cancel that. But ultimately, this is going to allow you to save a lot of money in the long run. Now, let's talk about some of the subscriptions that I was subscribed to that I realized I should probably unsubscribe because it's not really helping me out in life. So number one is Stitch Fix. Now, Stitch Fix is a clothing brand that sends you a monthly box. And ultimately, the brand is good, the clothes are great, but $250 out of your pocket every single month, that's kind of a little crazy. Now, the way Stitch Fix does work, they send you the box. You can go and look through the box. It's about 5 to 6 items. You can choose what you want and send the rest back. The thing about me is I get so busy, I don't have time to return the stuff back. So I end up never returning anything, and I always keep the whole box. And then the whole box always comes up to like $260, $250. Not to say that it doesn't make me not stylish, but you know, $250 can go towards something else. The next one that we have on this list is Dr. Squatch. Now, Dr. Squatch is a soap brand, and essentially they send you about 6 to 7 bars of soap every single month for about 40 to 45 bucks. Now, the soaps, I'm not gonna lie, they smell really good, but to spend $45 on soap every single month, I must say it gets a little expensive. You know, you can go ahead, get your nice little bar of soap, get your Irish Spring for about $5, $4. That can serve you for about a month or two, and you can go about your day. So ultimately, I took a look at it. I was like, should I go ahead and keep buying this? And I was like, no. Just can't. The next one that we have on this list is Legalzoom. Now, I was using Legalzoom to create documents for my real estate business, so I was using it to create leases. Now, during the first month, they were running a promo where they charge you $15 a month, which sounds pretty awesome. But what I didn't realize is after that month is finished, you have to pay about $175 monthly, which it slipped my mind, and I ended up having to pay that over the course of maybe 2 months, 3 months. So ultimately, Truebill saved my ass because that's putting way more money into my pocket that I didn't even know I was losing out on. And then one of the other things that I realized was a gym membership. Now, I did just move and I am in a new gym, but with the old gym, I totally forgot that it's still charging my account. So I had to go ahead and cancel that. Now that gym membership was about $30 a month, and ultimately over the course of a year, it's gonna save me about 360 bucks, baby. So like I said, these things may not seem like it's a lot. It can be $10 there, $15 there, but ultimately over the course of a year, you canceling about 10 of these subscriptions can save you tons and tons of money that you can put into an investment, put into a project, put into making yourself better, some self-improvement. But ultimately, you'll want to be saving this money so you can do something with it that you want to do. How many things are you subscribed to? Let me know in the comment section below. Watch this video, go subscribe there. I'm Brandon Young. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.